Okay, flute players, you've already seen what's inside your case and put your flute together once. Now take your head joint. This is the part that has the area that you blow over, and I want you to take it and I want you to put it in your left hand. Hold it by the end like this over with your left hand. Just by your fingers. There's a little bumped cap on this part. That's how you know you've got the correct part. Then take your right hand and put it on the end of the flute, flat like that. You should be able to twist. Make an M with your lips, M. Use the M and find the tone hole and put it right in the center of your lips, okay? Once you're there, I want you to think about blowing a small stream of air as if you were trying to blow on the tiniest candle, and just make it the flame move, not make it go out. You're just gonna go, right? Just a tiny stream of air. Start blowing it into the hole. And then as you're blowing, I want you to roll the flute until it goes to about this angle. And at some point, you're gonna hear a sound come out, and it's gonna be the exact sound that you're looking for in the flute. So listen, I'll do it. As I rolled it down, the sound just automatically came out. I know everybody says it's hard to make a sound on the flute. This is the easiest way to do it. You can pretend you're spitting watermelon seeds. You can, that's kind of the action that's happening, but if you blow as you roll it down, you're gonna find the spot where the sound is the best. That is super important. Do that until you can do it consistently. Every time you're just like, once you can do that, then you're ready for the next step.